wonderful time working here as an intern. I gained a lot of experience in the professional world and developed skills in developing computer programs that prove useful to real-world companies.
I've had a very positive experience here at Crane because of the network and the support that is offered to their interns.
Interning at Crane has been an incredible journey. The environment here is supportive and collaborative, but with dedicated and hardworking individuals who always rise to the challenge.
As an intern at Crane Currency for the past 2 years, I couldn't be more happy about the outcome. My experience with the product management, marketing, and sales team has always been positive. I have gained insights on many software programs, professional career development, the importance of marketing, and much more. I have built many network connections and friendships. My coworkers are kind, supportive, friendly, and demonstrate professional skills I value in the workforce.
I'm Teresa Twardowski, and I've had the honor to be a finance intern at Crane Currency. I'm a student athlete at Trinity College in Hartford, Connecticut, where I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in economics with a focus in entrepreneurship. My internship experience at Crane has been incredibly rewarding and transformative. I've had the opportunity to work on significant projects ranging from financial reporting to process automation, which have allowed me to develop practical skills and gain deep insights into corporate finance. The mentorship I received from experienced professionals has been invaluable. I have acquired deep financial expertise, explored various career opportunities within finance, and enhanced my proficiency in essential software. Overall, this experience has not only strengthened my technical abilities, but also provided me with a clear vision of my career.